everything. We'll still go through the normal flow of things. Excuse me, I'll pinch up, I'll get all situated, I'll let you know when. You take yourself a nice big deep breath in. As you slowly breathe out, we go. Quick little pinch. Once we're in there, we'll position, and then we'll do a plunge. So we'll do a two-step thing. Pull it out, gauze, bandage, clean up all the marks on you.
Sounds good, dude.
Good.
All
right, so getting ready here.
Is my thumb positioned properly?
Yeah, you are great where you're at. You comfortable?
Yep.
Cool. All right, so that's how you take a nice big deep breath in and breathe out. There goes that. And then we'll push this in here. There you have it.
I'm installed. Fucking A.
Yeah, hell yeah.
All right. That was an interesting sensation.
Yeah,
Not really hurt, but some pressure.
Feel it, yeah.
A little pressure there.
Thank you, Jody, for the numbing gel. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
Let me clean off all the extra marks and stuff on you.
So how many of these have you done? I guess I should have asked that before you injected me, huh?
I've done a ton. Through the Dangerous Things website alone, I've done